So one of the challenges that we face in formulating products, and it's not just what we're making here at the corporate office in a controlled condition, is that we have 175 stores out there. They're hot in the summer, they're cooler in the winter, they're getting different temperature water, they have different staffing levels. All of those variables are not necessarily things that BreadPartners can control for us, but we've really collaborated a lot in trying to make sure that we can still serve a standardized product throughout all of our stores, no matter the condition. And that's been really valuable to us.
15 years now, having this partnership, it means so much to us just because of their support, the service, literally like being able to get them on the phone, literally be able to get them out to our stores. We hear from them often, just checking in, always even still looking for ways to improve the product.
In the last 5 years, I've worked with BreadPartners on a number of projects, and some of them very challenging. And I just can't imagine working with another vendor. I feel like they get us, they understand our product, our challenges with all the stores that we have. And I really look forward to working with them in the future as we grow the brand and expand into other places.
We're very proud of this partnership, and we highly recommend anybody in the bread business to give BreadPartners a call because their support, their service, their knowledge of the industry is just unmatched.